Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about cybersecurity and the three core principles of confidentiality, integrity, and availability, otherwise known as the CIA. First, let's start with confidentiality. Confidentiality is all about making sure that only the right people have access to sensitive information. That can mean anything from ensuring your passwords are strong to make sure your computer is properly encrypted. Next, let's look at integrity. Integrity is about making sure that the data is not modified or tampered with in any way. That can mean anything from running regular antivirus software scans to regularly patching your system. Finally, let's look at availability. Availability is about making sure that the data is available when it's needed. That can mean anything from using a secure cloud storage solution to using redundancy system to ensure uptime. So there you have it, the three core components of cybersecurity: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Thanks for watching and stay safe.